everyone, I'm Zhao Zhixuan. I'm currently in Shanghai at Huangjin Park near my home. Look, I've made a new discovery here. I'm going to use a drone to deliver a beverage. Let's take a look. First step, scan the code to order. It's so hot, I've ordered a drink. Now it's time to wait. Can we get the drink smoothly? It's coming, It's bringing the drink. The chilly little beverage is landing. My food delivery has arrived. It's inside. Now the only thing I need to do is enter the last 4 digits of my phone number. The pickup code is correct. Isn't the special delivery box cool? Let's open it and see. It hasn't spilled at all. The box needs to be recycled. Drone food delivery provides great convenience to visitors. Better city, better life. Let's cheer for the futuristic feel of Shanghai.